Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet at home without a blender. First, choose your favorite ripe fruits, such as 2 cups of strawberries or 1 large mango. You will also need about 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water or lemon juice. This method relies on simple tools you already have, like a fork and a shallow pan. We'll transform fresh fruit into a delightful frozen treat with minimal effort and no special equipment. Now let's prepare our fruit. Begin by washing and drying your chosen fruit thoroughly. For larger fruits like mangoes or peaches, chop them into small, uniform pieces, roughly 1/2 inch cubes. If using berries, you can leave them whole. Next, combine the fruit with about 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water in a saucepan. Gently simmer this mixture over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes, just until the fruit softens and releases its juices. Once your fruit mixture has cooled slightly, it's time to mash it. Use a fork or a potato masher to thoroughly break down the fruit until it reaches a pulpy consistency. Don't worry about perfect smoothness. A few small chunks add character. Pour this mashed fruit into a shallow, freezer-safe dish, like a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Place it in the freezer for at least 2 hours. Every 30 minutes, scrape and mash the partially frozen sorbet to prevent large ice crystals and achieve that signature smooth texture. Your delicious homemade sorbet is now ready to enjoy. For the best texture and flavor, serve it immediately. You can scoop it into chilled bowls and garnish with a few fresh mint leaves or whole berries for an elegant touch. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fruit combinations. A blend of 2 cups of raspberries and 1/4 cup of lime juice makes a fantastic variation. Adding a tablespoon of citrus zest, like orange or lemon, can also brighten the flavor profile beautifully. Enjoy your refreshing, blender-free creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.